Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another video about the Symmetry tool. And I've learned a little bit working with it today myself, create a new one. You can see if you put more than 2, it's not in the center of the page. Let's put 8. But right here, you can put it in the center of the page. My page is 40 by 28, so I'm going to put in 20 by -14. Now I'm in the center of the page. It's not that big a deal. But what I do like about what I found today, let's get our 3-point curve and let's just start drawing a line. See how the other ones are in hairline? Well, right here, you can show the full preview, make it full. And then that way you can take your shape tool. Your shape tool is going to identify the one you can move. You can't move these because this is your original line. But with your shape tool, you can move it over here and get it closer to that center. And then that way you can kind of see before you finish that if you have any nodes that are open, and you can still, let's try this. Let's try selecting it all. It's only going to let me select one line, so that's not going to work. Let's try it. I'm just experimenting here. There we go. Let's take a colored heart. Let's move it out of the way for a second. Let's left click, right click, and there's a whole different deal. But let's go to arrange, or let's go to effects and contour. Contour that thing to the inside. Let's call it that. No, I need to go a little thicker than that. Let's go 0.5 because it is big. So now you got a whole different look. And then you could actually bring this thing back in. Matter of fact, you could probably delete. No, because our symmetry tool is out here. But you could play around with this and get a whole different effect using different tools. That doesn't look worth a squat, but you can see where I'm coming from. You could change a lot of things. Let's just do that for the instance. Now let's go to finish. And right here, you can break the link apart. You know what? Let me back up here. I don't like that single heart. I don't know if it's going to let me move it. Yeah, it will. Let's try just deleting it. There we go. Now we got some unusual thing. Let's finish it. Break link apart. Select it all. Go to arrange, group, ungroup, and then you could weld it together. No, you still can't. Break the 32 objects apart, and then you could weld it together. Big deal. Not that big of a deal. But you can see where I'm coming from. I really like being able to see the whole preview. And so that's just more on the symmetry tool. Let's back up here quite a bit. Let's remove that and kind of, well, there, we can start all over with that, probably that link. Let's go to arrange, symmetry tool. Yep, there we go. Now we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool design. Now you could do that with rotate. But you could not do this with the rotate, is to add, let's take our shape tool and find out which one is our, well, here what we can do is go to here, and this is our symmetry. So that's why they have it like that. You could click off of it. Let's go our 2-point line and let's just draw a line to there. And now go back and look at the full preview. So there's a lot you can do with that by turning that on and off. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.